Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can get free shipping on Alibaba. This is going to be, like I said, a step by step tutorial. Now let's get started right now. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. Okay, let's get started right now. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for the product that you want to purchase. Okay, so for example, I'm going to search for makeup products. Okay, this is just an example. You can search for any product you want, of course. Now after you search for the product that you want to purchase, then make sure you check this box. That as you can check this, as you can, where it says delivery by, you want to go with the first one. Now in my case it's delivery by December 31. That's exactly what you guys need to do. Just check this so that you will be able to see products that are available for shipping. Okay, because most suppliers or most sellers on Alibaba, they wait for someone to come and like tell them, hi, I want this amount of like products by the end of the, and then they create or they make these products for you, and you will have to wait for them to create them or to make them, and that's going to take time. So to avoid that, just check this where it says delivery by, so that you will be able to see products that are in stock right now. Okay, so after that, you can also, for example, I'm going to show you something. You can also change the quantity. You want products that are, it says price here, where it says price, as you can see. You want here, it says price. You want to check here, for example, minimum price, maximum price. I don't really use this feature, but I use this feature below that, which says minimum order. So if I want to buy only, I want to purchase only one product, I'm going to add here one, and I'm going to click on OK, so that I will be able to see suppliers that support this, so that support people that only want to buy one product. Okay, so if you don't do that, you will not be able to purchase every item you see, because some sellers, the minimum order amount is going to be more than 10 products, so you will not be able to purchase the item from them. Okay, so you will have to check that, so that you will have to choose the quantity that you want to purchase. So in my case, I only want to purchase one product today. Okay, so as you can see, now you want to search for the seller that offers free shipping. Okay, so I'm going to try this one. I'm going to see this one if it offers free shipping. I'm going to check this. Now keep in mind that the free shipping is not, it doesn't exist. Okay, this word of free shipping is just a marketing strategy. I just wanna show this to people who don't know, because at the end of the day, you are paying for shipping. They may include the shipping in the price of the product to make you think that you are getting free shipping, but most of the time, 100%, you are paying for the shipping, because you are not going to pay for it. Okay, and the seller is not going to pay for it. So who is going to pay for shipping? Like the shipping company, they have to get the money to ship the product to you. Okay, so you are paying for shipping, but in it's like without you knowing that, so you think you are getting free shipping. Okay, so if you choose here one product, as you can see, if you only buy one product, you will be able to get free shipping, as you can see. Now I'm going to click here on free shipping. As you can see, it's free for one piece. Okay, now if you want to buy, like I said, one piece, you will be able to get free shipping. Okay, now I'm going to click on start order, and as you can see, I'm going to go with this one. I only want to purchase this one. Okay, so as you can see, in order to purchase, as you can see, it has like this seller offers multiple shipping methods. So you want to click here, it says more shipping or more options, and then you want to choose the first one where it says economy, and as you can see, the shipping is free, and also the standard shipping is free. But if you want to use premium shipping method, you will have to pay $9. So if to get free shipping, you want to go with standard or economy, click on apply, and as you can see, the shipping is going to be now free, as you can see. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, to how you can get free shipping. As you can see, now we are getting free shipping. As you can see, shipping total is free shipping, as you can see, and now we are paying 70 cents for this product. Now that's exactly what you guys need to do, okay, to get free shipping on Alibaba. Another way, if you want to purchase large quantities, what you guys need to do, you just need to contact suppliers on Alibaba and explain to them if there is a special shipping method for you. Okay, so probably you can ship with a cheaper as you can, with the cheaper company, with a cheaper shipping company. So you don't know exactly how they can help you. Just contact them and explain to them that the shipping price is very high for you and you want to get cheaper, or like you want them to reduce the shipping price. So they will try their best to help you guys. Okay, so keep in mind that not all suppliers offer free shipping on Alibaba. I'm going to see this supplier if he offers free shipping. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Okay, this one also offers free shipping. As you can see, the shipping fee is free, as you can see, for one bag. So also it's free, as you can see. The standard is also free, so the premium is free. Okay, so you can get the premium shipping, and also you pay $0. That's the beauty here. So that's beauty of using Alibaba compared to AliExpress. As you can see, you only pay $1 for the product, and the shipping price is free, as you can see here. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can get free shipping on Alibaba. So this is not going to work every time, but I already made another video that you can watch to get free shipping most of the time. I say 99% of the time. Make sure you drop a like on this tutorial and click the video in the screen right now in order to get free shipping on like large quantities, or if you want to buy also one product or two products. Okay, so click the video in the screen and see you guys in the next tutorial.